So, what's on the printer today? This is not a new design, it's one I did not long after I got the printer. I've just printed it on best quality, 4 hours 42 seconds. So I can turn that off. And we can have a look. It's a, where are we? Let's get some colour into it, or light. A novelty clothes peg. So this is the clothes peg bit, and obviously that is a bird. The one that I did, whenever it was, a long time ago, I printed in yellow, and it's actually out on one of the branches outside in the garden. And I just looked at it the other day and I thought I could do another one. So you need to steal the spring out of a existing clothes peg. I'm going to need 2 hands to get that off. Right, you can see it a bit easier now. Put the light on the camera. So yeah, this is just like a normal clothes peg. Spring goes in there. And then the rest of it is in the shape of a bird. It's an old one. Well, old for me as far as my 3D printing goes. Although I haven't had the printer for a year yet. So this can't be more than a year old. Anyway, I'll put a spring on it and then stick it somewhere. As it happens, I've got one of those springs here from a broken peg, so I don't have to nick it from a good one. Right, remember which way round it goes. That's got to go over there. That's got to go over there. And there we are. So, we'll go and put it with its friend. If I can reach. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.